Hey guys, DJ here, the 𝐷𝐈𝐒 Pro at our project on Maple Street in Anaheim, and a lot is going on. Our beautiful gray kitchen cabinets have been installed. Let me show you here. They just have to pick out the kitchen pools. I just dropped off our quartz sample book, just so you future 𝐷𝐒 customers are aware. We offer 9 different quartzes that are included in your kitchen cabinets. Now they got a free upgrade to gray because normally we have a white shaker kitchen cabinet that's included, but I made a mistake on a client's kitchen, ordered wrong cabinets, so I had these. So this fine gentleman got a free upgrade on his kitchen cabinets. But again, included in your contract is 9 different colors of quartz countertop. So he's gonna pick that out today. Hopefully we get this in, today's Thursday, by the beginning of next week, and we're almost done with this thing. The shower pan is now ready to install tile. The client has picked out the tile. We get all our tile from Floor and Decor. It makes it simple. There's Floor and Decor all over Southern California. Our clients take the material allotment sheet that we include, so they have an available price they can spend on a specific item at Floor and Decor. Shower tile and shower floor, so shower walls and shower tile floors have a different allotment. As long as they meet that allotment, they send me a picture of the tile and the SKU number, and then we order it, and then our crew picks it up and gets it installed. Closet doors are installed, 6-panel closet doors, and we're doing our color coat on the stucco. Remember, we do lath, and so we do the lath. Hang on, let me get out of here. Lath, scratch coat, brown coat, and now you can see the difference on the brown coat, a little rough but smooth. And now they're doing color coat, which you can see it has that nice texture that you guys are used to seeing on your stucco. My hardworking guys over here, Miguel and his crew, are having their lunch. Yes, we do give them breaks. We don't make them work all the time. But hey guys, any questions about building any processes of an 𝐷𝐒, please DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812. And myself, our wonderful staff, will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Hey guys, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. DJ, the 𝐷𝐒 Pro, out.